marami na rin kasing hindi naniniwala sa education these days. Parang feel ko lang.
Nga.
Parang feel ko lang. Aminado ako, okay?
Bakit?
Nag-masscom ako, 3 years na, hindi ako nakatapos na.
Anong masscom?
Mass communication.
Saan yan?
Sa FEU, sa Pilipinas.
Anong nangyari? Bakit di mo tinapos?
Hindi ko gusto, parang wala lang. Gala lang sa Pilipinas, kaya nga
Bulakbul yata.
Bulakbul yung una.
Bulakbul ang inatupag mo.
And then nag-accounting ako sa SF State, natapos ko lang mga almost 3 years. Tapos after that, di na ako.
3 years na lang, hindi mo pa tinapos. 1 year na lang, hindi mo pa tinapos.
Ewan ko.
Siya nagsabi sa akin, sabi niya, Mom, I know I said that college is scam. I didn't want to go to college. But I realized na towards the end, na importante pa lang, education. Kasi it brings you to a different dimension na may understanding ka ng paligid mo at ng humanities at ng world.
Tama.
As a whole. Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes, Supreme Lending.
And welcome to our episode
Episode
48 of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Ito na naman kami, hello.
Hello, kunita na naman.
Oo nga eh.
Okay, ito na, July na.
July na, oo. Graduation pa rin, di ba?
Hindi,
Fever?
you mean katatapos lang?
Katatapos lang, oo.
Yes, oo.
Pero this topic is about, education, of course.
And graduation.
And graduation. Alam ko, yung anak mo kag-graduate lang,
Ikaw
di ba?
din, di ba?
Oo.
Oo nga. So, ayan, pag-usapan natin yan.
Pag-usapan natin yan, no?
Okay, so ito, Alvin, matanong kita kasi alam ko yung anak mo nag-graduate ng high school, di ba?
Tama, oo. Nung last month. Oo, oo.
Okay. Kumusta naman?
Okay naman. Sa bandang Brentwood, sa Heritage. And it was hot kasi nasa football field kami.
Ano ba siya? Private school ba o public school?
Public school naman.
Ng Brentwood?
Ng Brentwood.
Brentwood, California.
Brentwood, California. One of the best school, Heritage. Shout out sa mga teachers dyan.
Yes. So, how was it?
It was good, pero ang sorry, matagal lang. Tapos ang init. Kasi nasa football field kami. Nagsimula ng 3 p.m.
Sus Mariosep,
Kainitan talaga, kasagsagan. Pero you'll do anything for your son kasi just to see him walk
Bakit
there.
hindi kayo nagpayong?
May payo nga, maski na mainit pa rin eh. Sobrang init kaya
mo Pilipinas?
Oo, parang ganun ang
100
dating.
degrees?
Mga 90, mga 95.
Ay, buti 95, hindi umabot ng 100.
Brentwood kasi inland din niya kaya mainit din eh. Pero, no matter what it is, parang just to see your son walk sa aisle and just, waving at you like that, parang masarap eh, nakakatabang puso. And I know you too, di ba?
Oo nga, actually, my son just graduated college naman.
College na, oo.
Nag-major siya ng Business Economics.
Economics,
sa
okay.
University of California, Riverside.
Yun,
yes.
oo.
Mainit din doon, pero ginanap nila sa sa Toyota Arena.
Oo, at least may bubong.
Ontario, California.
Diba?
Yes,
yes.
Yan, daming graduate. I'm surprised.
Nakita ko nga.
It's like the whole place is
Nakita ko nga.
Sabi ko, wow. I mean, this is like the school of business.
Yes, oo.
Kasi iba-iba. May school of medicine, may school of
yun ang specialty nila talaga, business.
School of
marami
silang mga ibang department. Pero itong graduate na to that day,
yun lang for that particular
for that
course.
That course.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean School of Arts and Humanities and Business.
Oh, wow. Oo.
Yes.
Well, ito lang, napag-uusapan lang natin to talaga. Gaano ba talaga ka-importante unang-unang education these days, di ba?
Teka muna.
teka muna.
Akala ko tatanungin mo ako kung kumusta.
Sorry.
Ano ka ba?
Sorry. Okay. Tatanungin kita. Okay.
Okay.
Paano?
Okay. Yung graduation, ang bilis.
Mabilis?
Oo, I'm surprised.
Paano?
Kasi,
You mean mabilis lang? Wala nang tawagin ng pangalan?
Hindi. It was so organized na mabilis talagang. Yung anak ko, siyang pinakahuling-huli dun sa row.
Sa dulo.
Kaya kahit nandun kami sa pinakalikod, naspatan namin siya kasi nga by alphabetical order. Kasi V. Velasco, di ba?
Bale ilan yung nag-graduate?
Siguro mga mga nasa 500.
500? Tinawag yung pangalan isa-isa?
Oo, nung mga siguro 400, pero tinawag isa-isa, pero halinhinan.
Parang ganun din sa amin. Oo.
Pero ang ano doon is, mabilis lang siya.
Mabilis,
I'm just like kinda really surprised. It started at 9:30 and then it ended at 11:30, 3 hours.
That's quick,
Pero air conditioning naman, so okay lang.
Okay lang siya.
So, alam ba ninyo, itong graduate ng college in 2024, ginawa kong extra special.
What?
Alam mo kung bakit?
Why?
Kasi ito yung class of 2024 na graduate ng college. Ito yung class na hindi nag-walk during high school graduation
Because of the COVID?
because of COVID.
Yes.
Lahat sila virtual.
Oo.
Kasi kasagsagan ng COVID to.
Yes, walang
Lockdown ang
lockdown
California.
tayo. No? So parang exciting to sa mga nag-graduates
Yes,
ngayon,
oo
di
nga,
ba?
kaya
Right?
nga we made it really extra.
Nice, oo.
Kasi I feel kind of bad kasi nga nung graduate si Chandler, may toga siya, nag-take lang kami picture sa harap ng
Pictures
bahay.
lang, oo.
Tapos, Zoom,
Oo.
yung graduation nila.
Walang feeling yun walang excitement walang sigawan, di ba?
Tinawag yung pangalan
Oo,
niya.
oo,
Tapos
oo.
nag-take
Oo.
picture lang ako, video. That's it.
Yeah.
Tapos, nung first year college niya, online. He was at home
Oo.
doing,
During the COVID time.
courses. Tapos, nung second year yun, nagbukas na yung dorm nila.
Yes. Oo.
Yes.
Ganun din nangyari sa first son ko Sa
Yeah.
Dominican College.
Yes.
Graduate pero hindi siya, pero pinabalik sila nung nag-open na ng konti, slightly open, pinabalik sila. So we were able to do stage pero like after a year.
Yes, oo nga,
Oo.
yes, oo. Kasi imagine, during this time, it's like, siguro, a lot of issues sa mental health
Yes.
during COVID
Nangyaring
lockdown,
COVID
di ba?
lockdown,
Maraming mga na-depress,
Oo.
maraming, imagine, you can't even have conversation, like,
Oo.
yung human.
Walang person-to-person connection
Correct,
Hirap,
oo nga. Kaya we really made a big deal.
Yes,
Nagpagawa pa ako ng big head na
Sigawan, di
picture
kami
niya.
sigawan, di ba?
Sigawan,
Oo, nice,
tapos
nice.
picture-picture,
Oo,
tapos
oo.
nag-pop kami ng champagne.
Oo.
Tapos punta kami dito sa school niya kasi sinama pa niya yung aso niya, si Autumn.
Yes, I saw
Kasi
that.
alam mo
I saw the
namang,
picture.
masyadong
Aso niya yun,
attached
di ba?
dun sa
Aso niya yun,
kanyang aso.
right? That's nice.
Actually, makwento ko sa'yo.
Oo.
Actually, that's another way why Chandler, yung bunso kong anak, nakakope ng malayo siya sa amin. Kasi meron siyang, parang yun ang naging family niya.
Oo.
Kasi malayo, imagine 7 hours ang drive.
Oo. Nasa dorm ba siya o nagsa apartment ba siya?
No, so first year online,
Oo.
second year nag-dorm.
Oo.
Okay, which is he had a lot of fun.
Oo.
But it's so expensive.
Yeah, so.
Alam mo kung magkano? 2,200 a month.
Ay, nako.
Ang liit-liit ng kwarto, tapos yung bed nila head to head. Yung
Literally,
ganito bed na.
talagang space lang talaga. Parang ganun.
Tapos you share bathroom.
Oo.
It was like, why would I pay 2,200 for this?
Yeah.
And college is
Sobrang
so freaking
mahal na.
expensive.
Sobrang mahal na. Trust me. That's why I'm so happy. By the way, Marvin and Arvin, thank you for agreeing with us that you're gonna be taking your nursing in the Philippines.
Oo nga. Di
tuwang-tuwa
hamak
ako.
na mas mura.
Sobrang mura.
Magkano?
Ako, yung ko na sabihin.
Sige
Sobrang
na.
mura. Sobrang mura.
Para sa ating mga
Sobrang-
listeners, magkano ang nursing school sa Philippines?
Per sem?
Hindi, yung buong taon na lang.
Yung
Buong taon.
siguro,
In dollars,
siguro wala pang 5,000.
So, $5,000.
Oo.
Ay, pucha.
Oh, sobrang ako sa anak ko dito
Ang
sa
mura naman.
Oo.
Isang lang.
St. Paul pa.
Wow.
St. Paul pa.
Parang
right?
isang quarter lang dito
Oo,
yun sa
tama.
tuition fee
Wala-
lang yun na
oo,
isang
tama.
quarter lang. Isang
Mm-mm.
quarter lang.
Oo,
Apat ang quarter sa
Yun,
iyo.
yun nga lang, syempre medyo parang malalayo sila ng konti, 'di ba? Right? Pero I'm just saying, we just want to be able to be practical, number one. Number
Oo
two,
nga, kasi kung magagamit naman nila
Oo.
dito, di ba?
Tsaka nung sinabi lang, Dad, I wanna go to Arizona State, I wanna go. Sa Pilipinas sila kayo, pareho din pala. Kung dito rin kayo, lalayo din kayo, di ba?
Oo nga. At
So,
saka
mas
hindi,
wala.
actually maganda yun kasi para matutunan nilang Filipino culture.
Correct.
Mura pa. Tapos yung level of education, basta mapasa nilang NCLEX. Who
Tapos
cares?
na, balik na. Sabi ko, buniin niyo yung 4 years, take 4 years and go back and you're ready to go, right?
At saka mga lalaki naman, mga anak mo.
Yun, oo.
I mean,
Ikaw din lalaki rin sa'yo, no?
Let them explore.
Oh, yeah, actually excited si Arvin. Actually, we're leaving on the 21st kasi yun na yung final niya.
Ayan
July.
na naman, babalik ka na naman ng Pilipinas.
July. Oh, hatid na namin siya eh.
Sus Mario Joseph,
Oo.
nabalik ka na ba ng Pilipinas?
Wala pang ano ka.
Wala pang
Pero ano lang ako doon, 1 week and a half kasi hatid lang namin, settled na lang siya. And then ako muna, and then si Lydia susunod, 3 weeks si Lydia. Pero kasi ako, hindi naman ako pwede
Alam mo, yung anak ko, nung
nga pala, nung inatid
nung
nyo.
nag-SoCal siya,
Oo.
nung una, ano yan, parang
Lungkot.
malungkot.
Siyempre.
Kasi siyempre naninibago,
Oo.
hindi niya kilala yung mga tao,
Oo.
establishing friends.
Of course, yeah.
So tawag ng tawag.
Oo.
You know, kumusta yung ganun,
Oo.
ganun.
Tapos,
Tapos after few months, wala na, hindi na tumatawag. Tatawag na
Oo.
lang every Friday, hihingi ng allowance.
oo, pag kailangan na.
Oo nga. So
wow.
yun na, ganun ang routine. Sa una lang naman.
Sa una lang nga. Oo,
Yes.
oo.
Pero at least, you know, this is their time to become independent.
Mhm.
Now, they can't rely on anybody. Parang
Correct.
test of ano to. It's not just because they're getting the education. Also, they're getting the taste of life.
The real life ba?
Na how is it gonna be by being self-reliant?
Totoo
Diba?
yan, totoo. And you know, it's very good that we're talking about this kasi marami na rin kasing hindi naniniwala sa education these days. Parang feel
Ay,
ko
oo
lang.
nga.
Parang feel ko lang,
Oo
ano?
nga. Yes, oo.
Maraming, I mean, ako, personally, aminado ako, okay?
Yeah, bakit?
Nag-masscom ako, 3 years na, hindi ako nakatapos na
Anong masko?
Mass communication.
Saan
Oo.
yan?
Sa FEU, sa Pilipinas.
Sa
Oo.
Pilipinas.
Oo, nung
So,
una.
naka 1 year ka lang?
Oo, kasi pabalik-balik ko. And then,
Anong nangyari? Bakit di mo tinapos?
hindi ko gusto, parang wala lang. Gala lang sa Pilipinas, kaya nga
Bulakbol yata.
Bulakbol yung una.
Bulakbol ang inatupag mo.
And then
Oh.
nag-accounting ako sa SF State, natapos ko lang mga almost 3 years. Tapos after that, di na ako.
3 years na lang, hindi mo pa tinapos.
Oo nga eh,
1 year
oo
na
nga.
lang, hindi mo
Oo
pa
nga eh.
tinapos.
Ewan ko. Pero anyway,
Bulakbol din ang ginawa
hindi
mo.
naman bulakbol. It's just, you know.
Got distracted.
Oo, parang ganun lang. Oo.
Teka, uwian ka ba o nakatira ka sa dorm?
Nung nag-rent ako ng in-laws sa Daly City, di ba? Uso din yung mga in-law.
in-laws,
Oh,
yeah.
yun, nag-ano ako doon.
So, sinong nagsusustento ng education?
My mom.
Oh, tapos, sayang.
Oo, sayang. Tapos palit ako, gusto ko maging plane mechanic ba, yung una FAA, pero
ang dami
wala
mo
rin.
naman.
Oo, wala.
Nakakatawa. Ano ka ba?
Pero yung pala ang specialty ko pala is to help people in buying homes.
Oh,
and
dito ka
lending.
pala.
Oo,
Dito ka
dito
pala.
ako dinala.
Sa,
Nakatulong
loan
naman yung mga
office.
courses ko, accounting,
Yes,
mass
oo nga.
communication, di ba?
At saka yung
Oh.
pakikipag-usap sa tao,
Oo,
you learn
importante
some
yun.
skills, di ba?
Ikaw alam ko, anong ang course mo?
Okay, ako naman natapos, pero natapos lang ako ng associate degree.
Associate degree.
Sa City College of San Francisco.
Doon din ako nag-aral eh.
Ay,
Oo,
Hindi mo
oo.
tinapos yung 2 years mo?
Hindi, tapos nag-ano ka sa SF State, di ba?
Pero
2 years.
nakakuha ka ng associate degree.
Oh, yeah, I did. Oo.
Oh, at least you have
yun,
some
meron tayo
college.
nun.
Oo, yeah, oo.
Pero yun nga, marami nang hindi naniniwala sa mga education these days. They think, with no education, pwede ka mag-entrepreneur. You know, kasi, alam mo naman, social media, maraming binibigyan ng mga, kumbaga ba, influencer. No, you don't need to go to school. Maraming ganun eh. Ngayon eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, especially with, with the internet
Yeah.
and the artificial intelligence.
Yes, let's talk about that.
You could find everything and anything. I mean, honestly, para sa akin, I still believe in education. The reason for that is, kasi kapag nakatapos ka, you have that education. No one could take that away from you. Sa'yo yan eh.
Oo.
I mean,
Karera mo yan, degree.
just get it out of the way and then whatever. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa anak ko. Na, anak, kasi nung una, parang, Mom, I don't really want to go to college. Nung right after high school.
Ang
Pero-
gagawin mo. O tapos,
Sinabi ko sa kanya, anak, sabi ko, requirement yan.
Yes,
Sabi ko, kailangan tapusin mo ang pag-aaral mo kasi para sa iyo yan, hindi para sa akin.
Correct,
Sabi ko, at saka, I mean, we'll take care of,
Yes.
of your education, yung gastos mo, ganun. Tapusin mo lang, please.
Oo.
Kasi yan lang ang pwede kong ipamana sa'yo.
Tama naman.
You know what I
Tama
mean?
naman,
Kasi sabi niya sa akin, oh mom, no, college is scam, blah, blah, blah.
Yun nga eh.
Sabi ko, no, it's not scam. Kasi
Oo.
it's not just the education. I think yung mga bata, kapag nalalayo sila, nagmamature sila.
Nagmamature sila.
Kasi katulad nga ng nasabi ko, Kasi sa bahay, well-sheltered sila.
Yes.
Pagdating nila sa bahay, may pagkain. May, mayroon silang, place to, meron silang kwarto, may
Oo.
sarili silang,
Yeah.
everything is provided for them.
Yes.
Diba?
This time,
Okay, minsan
sana na.
ako pa naglalaban ng mga damit
Yun.
nila, diba? So when they go to college, wala silang choice. They have to, take care of that. They have to do their own laundry, mag-grocery para sa kanila, magluto,
Oh.
'di ba?
Oh.
At saka hindi lang 'yon. Ang college will teach them how to manage their time.
Correct.
Kasi walang magsasabing, "Hoy, gumising ka na,
Yes,
malilate ka
oo.
sa class mo."
And ganun tayo sa pag ng high school, gising na.
Oo nga, malilate ka na.
Andiyan na
Oo
yung
nga.
breakfast sa baba. Di ba? Ganun. Wala na ganun, di ba? No, I think
It's true, isn't it?
You're right. So they're, kumbaga ba, they're having a little bit of a taste of really what's reality and being independency.
Being
talaga.
independent and self-reliant.
Yun nga.
And then also, matututo rin silang mag-budget.
Correct. Yun
Kasi katulad ko, may certain allowance yung anak kong bunso.
Oo.
Every Friday yan.
Oo.
Ang rule namin
Oo,
is,
oo.
kasi yung mga bata ngayon, mahilig lang mag-text.
Oo nga.
Ayaw nilang wala silang,
Walang communication na no?
wala silang patience for small talk.
Yeah.
They don't
Ba't
like it.
ganun?
Okay, so itong rule ko,
Oh.
Alvin.
Okay, let me see. But
Every Friday,
Oo.
kung hihingi ng allowance, kailangan makausap ko siya.
Ganun?
Kailangan tatawagan niya ako.
Ganun?
Kasi kukumustahin ko and everything.
Oo.
Kasi paano kung halimbawa, baka mamaya,
Baka iba na.
kung sino lang ang
Oo.
nagte-text sa akin,
Oo,
baka
oo.
artificial intelligence o
Tama,
kung
tama.
sino man,
Oo, oo.
ini-scam ako. Gusto ko na make sure na, how are you doing? Kasi maririnig mo sa boses ng bata kung may problema ba, down
Oo.
ba sila that day.
At least a little bit of personal interaction. Kasi sa
Oo
text di mo alam eh.
Hindi,
right?
at saka maririnig yung from the voice ng bata,
Oo, kung
maririnig mo
WhatsApp,
yung
kung WhatsApp.
yung
Oo.
emotions nila. Are they stressing out?
Oo,
Ganun-ganun.
Or if they're excited or,
Or they're
whatnot.
excited,
Oo.
or minsan magkikwento silang ganito, ganyan. So, I like that. So,
Yeah.
after ko siyang makausap, doon ko palang ibibigay ang allowance.
It's
for the
funny that you mentioned that because yun ang pinag-usapan namin ng wife ko ngayon, si Didi eh.
Yes.
Magkano kaya allowance nito ni
Yes.
Arvin, di ba? Right? And ako, one of the things na gusto ko, continue FaceTime ba? Kasi nasa Pilipinas siya, di ba?
Yes.
So I'm buying him a laptop na may FaceTime, right?
Yes.
Pero we're thinking about magkano kaya magiging allowance nito? Kasi hindi namin alam eh, right? So we're thinking 500 pesos a day, gano'n. Sabi ng isang kaibigan nila, late naman yan, no? Ganun na kasing kamahal din dun sa Pilipinas, no? Pero still,
Hindi,
cheaper
kasama
pa rin.
na ba pagkain?
Hindi, kasi he's gonna be, may kumuha kami ng parang small condo apartment. Parang
Okay.
Oo,
Mahal ang pagkain sa
Oo
Philippines.
nga eh, oo.
Mm.
Then,
Kasi siya mag-grocery na
oo, siya,
everything.
Tapos si Marvin kasi susunod na next year, so sineset up na namin just to be sure. Pero anyway, kaya nga sinasabi ko sa iyo, Elizabeth, that gaano ka-importante yung education kasi napakadaming talagang, I'm not saying everybody, pero marami na rin kasi mga new grads na pinuput nila yung hold ng yung kumbaga ba, yung tulad sa high school, tulad nito, right? Pinuput nila yung college. Like, I'm gonna work for the next year and then go back to college. Parang gano'n.
Pwede rin yun. It could happen. Kasi I know some kids
Yeah.
na nag-stop for one semester. Tapos nag-work muna.
Work muna, oo.
Tapos then they go back.
Oo.
I mean, pwede rin yun. Pero kasi yung like sa amin, ang rule kasi namin mag-asawa is we pay for your college, pero kailangan 4 years tapos ka
Yun
na.
nga, hindi ng
Kasi,
gusto ko.
kasi kung magbubulakbul ka tapos
Oo.
hindi mo siseryosoin,
Oo.
tapos we pay for you,
Oo.
sinasayang mo yung pera, sabi ko.
Correct, oo.
So kung if you go beyond 4 years, you're on your own. Ikaw nang magbabayad nun. Mag-student loan ka, whatever that is.
Tsaka for me, sa ating dalawa, Elizabeth, alam naman natin, back in our generation, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang noon, mas importante yung experience rather than degree. Di ba? Right? To be honest with you, right? Okay? Pero ngayon, because of the AI coming out, di ba? A lot of the blue collar, let's just be honest.
Yeah, I mean,
Marami
I know a lot of entrepreneurs
Yeah.
that are making really good income without college.
Uh-huh.
Pero para sa akin, it's not the income that you're gonna make it.
Yeah, it's yourself.
No. Para sa akin, college is actually part of your lifetime. Na kailan ka magiging magkakaroon ng opportunity na yung parents mo, you're an adult, okay? You're independent.
Yeah.
Ng parents mo ang nagsusustento sa'yo.
Yes, oo nga.
Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-aral ka.
Aral lang.
Yeah, mag-aral ka lang. And then, of course, at that during that time, you'll be able to harness yung communication skills.
Yes.
Dito yung magfo-form yung mga connections.
Yes.
Kasi these are lifetime connections, yung mga friends mo sa college.
Yes. Yeah.
Kasi
Totoo
you're gonna
yan.
be building a
Totoo
lot
yan.
of memories.
Totoo
Like,
yan.
remember when we were young,
Uh-huh,
These are the people na
Yeah.
pwede mong maging best man
Yeah,
or
yeah.
groomsman on your wedding.
Correct.
These
New
are the-
friends, new people, new
friends.
faces.
And
Oo.
these are the people that will be your ally when you're trying to build a business.
Mm-hmm.
These are the people that maybe, magiging CEO or hiring manager.
Tama yun.
Or these are the people that you could mastermind with.
Tama.
Na said, I'm having problem with my business. Da 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 da. At the end of the day, it's all about connection.
Yes.
Di ba?
Kasi may marami akong mga kaibigan, anak ko, sabi, gusto magpahinga muna, sinasabing ganun.
Yes.
Pero like, parang tinamad ng bumalik sa college, parang ganun. Gusto na lang, as soon na natikman nila yung sweldong $15 an hour.
Kaya
ganun,
nga, alam
parang
mo.
ayaw nilang, parang...
Yes. Nangyari yan sa mister ko. Alam mo ba yun?
Oo.
Kasi yung mister ko, right after high school, nasilaw sa pera.
Parang ganun.
Nag-dishwasher sa
Oo.
Chevy sa
Oo.
San Francisco.
Alam ko yun.
Imagine when you're high school, kumikita ka ng $2,000. That's a lot of money in the 90s.
Oo. Yeah.
So sabihin, wait a minute, why do I need to go to college if I'm making 2,000
yeah, parang
now?
ganun nga. Oo.
Pero ang hindi nila alam, mas maraming mawawalang pera kasi pansamantala lang yun.
Yes.
And then alam naman natin, Alvin,
Oo.
kasi tayo may mga edad na.
Yes, of course.
Napaka-importante yung relationship.
That's true.
And you'll be able to build those relationship, kasi you're gonna meet a lot of people.
There's so much opportunity to meet
So much
other people.
opportunity,
Sobra talaga.
ideas you could bounce
Yeah.
back, and then and all of you are on the same age and trying to
Yes.
figure it out,
Yeah,
diba?
Yeah. Totoo yun.
Yes.
Oo. Kasi high school is totally different for me.
Totally different.
High school is having fun.
It's all about popularity
diba?
and everything.
Ito
But
na yung ano eh.
yeah,
Ito
but
na
when
yung-
you go to college, ito yung napakadaming distraction and temptations
Ah,
na dito mo mapapractice yung self-control.
correct.
Na, okay, should I skip my class because I'm hungover?
Yeah.
Or should I,
Yeah.
skip my class because I want to go to this party, whatever, and your grade started.
Wala na mga hall pass dito sa college, di ba? Ma'am, can you call my, di ba sa high school? Di ba? Anak ko lang, mahilig din. Dad, can you call, the office and tell them na I'll be able to make it? Parang ganun.
Wala nang ganun-ganun.
Walang ganun.
Basta you're an adult.
Yeah, yun na yan eh.
If you're gonna show up for class,
yeah.
then show up. If you're not gonna show up in class, then that's on you.
Well, let me ask you a question. Yung bunso mo, right? Did you see the transformation? Pag umuwi siya, nung galing sa break, from college, nakikita mo na ba yung maturity niya? Nagbago ba?
Oo, kasi nung high school, masungit siya.
Ganon. Masungit.
Masungit siya. It's like, Mom, palagi siyang naaano eh.
Oh, talaga?
Yung parang, Mom, don't bother me. Ganon.
Ganon.
Kasi parang importante sa kanya mga friends niya. Ganon.
Pero
Kasi
maturity, nakikita mo na
nung nag-college siya, lalo na yung patapos, nagiging very appreciative siya. Siya nagsabi sa akin, sabi niya, Mom, I know I said that college is scam. I didn't want to go to college. But I realized na towards the end, na importante pa lang, education. Kasi it brings you to a different dimension na may understanding ka ng paligid mo at ng ng humanities
Yes.
at ng world
Tama.
as a
Tama.
whole.
There's a
Para
new
bang
door. There's a new door.
What he meant is yung perspective
Yeah.
mo.
Lumaki.
Kasi when you're, let's say you're in Sacramento, ang kakilala mo lang yung mga nakatira
Yes.
sa high
Oo,
school,
tama.
di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon, napunta ka sa malaking universidad na iba't ibang
places.
ibang
Galing mga
places,
tao.
iba-ibang
Oo.
state, yung iba out of the country pa, di ba? So think about it.
Well, ako, again, that's I totally agree with you. But then,
Yes.
then again, marami din naman unfortunate na mga yung ibang tao dyan na walang pang college, mga ganun.
Correct.
Pero ako, be honest
I
with you.
do have an opinion on that.
Yeah, ako, to be honest with you, if there's a will,
There's a way.
there's a way. There's
Yeah,
a way. Ako, natandaan ko noon, I was working student, Elizabeth. I was
Yes, that must
working-
be hard.
Yeah, Burger King, Bane Street mismo, tsaka McDonald's, di ba? Magkaano
Sa
yun?
San Francisco.
Oo, di ba? Magkatapat yun?
Yeah.
Talagang nagpumapasok ko just for my...
Magkano sweldo mo nun sa Burger King?
$8 yata yun. Nagsimula sa 5 tas 8 tumaas ng konti. Pero yun, talagang tas nag-aaral ako sa gabi.
Yeah,
Sa gabi ako
I
nag-aaral.
experienced that.
Oo.
I was working and then I go to night school.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Pero I mean, meron ako opinion dyan.
Yeah, I
Again,
wanna
this
hear
is
this.
just my opinion.
Of course.
Okay. If you are underprivileged,
Yeah.
here in California, ang daming tulong.
Marami naman.
Scholarship.
Scholarship.
They'll even pay for your education or tuition fee.
Or boarding.
Actually, ang community college now in California is free.
Yeah. Totoo.
Dati nun, $11 per unit.
So,
Di ba? Sa City College sa San Francisco.
anong year ka ba nagpunta sa City College? Mga
Graduate ako ng 1996.
Oo, yeah. Oo,
Yeah, anong
oo.
year ka graduate?
1977 yata.
Okay.
Ganun,
Naulan lang ako na isang taon.
Medyo
Yeah,
mabagal
kasi
ako.
dito sa California, it's free.
Yeah.
Actually, they made it
Totoo
even so easy.
Affordable and easy.
To transfer from community college to
university.
California State University
Oo.
or University of California.
Yeah.
Well, if there's a will, there's a way.
Tama
Yun
naman.
nga lang, kailangan talagang
You want it.
you want it, and then also discipline.
Tama.
Na yun talagang gusto mong puntahan. And knowing how to say no to things that doesn't support your goal.
Tama.
Pero mahirap yun kapag bata kasi.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi pag
Oo.
bata ka, gusto mong mag-enjoy,
Yeah.
mag-explore.
Yeah, that's what it is. And that's what's being young is all about, right?
Yeah, correct.
But then again, like I said, tulad ako natatakot akong si Arvin pumunta sa Pilipinas. Kasi number one,
Bakit?
is it culture change talaga to. Dito siya lumaki, di ba?
Okay
Right?
lang yung Pilipino naman siya, 100%
Pero
Filipino.
nung pumunta siya doon, nagustuhan niya talaga.
Okay,
Siya
that's
naman,
good.
Dad, you know what? Pero kagabi kinausap ako. Oh yeah, Dad, you know, I'm scared a little bit, but for me, it's also a challenge.
Okay.
And I think it's going to be, kumbaga ba, everything is new, but it's also an adventure for me. So sabi ko, sige, good. Pagigihan mo yan. Di ba?
That's good.
Oo, di ba? Oo.
Actually, maganda. Imagine, meron siyang
Oo.
parents na
Oo.
nagsusustento, di ba?
Oo.
I
Sobrang,
mean, I
oo.
will be like, I will be grateful for
Yeah,
that opportunity.
yeah, they know.
Kasi I didn't get that opportunity
Ako
when I was
din,
growing
ako
up.
din, ako
I
din.
wouldn't say growing up, when I was young.
Yeah, ako din.
Kasi I was a working student.
Oo, ako
I have
din.
to, pay for the
Oo,
rent, pay
oo.
for my food, for my groceries.
Wala, pambili nga ng jeans. Kailangan, naku,
Diba?
hindi nyo lang alam talaga. Ako, I grew, hindi naman kasi kami mayaman. Di ba talagang I have to work on what I have nung bata ako.
Yeah.
Sobra.
Actually, when I finished my city college,
Oo.
1-year-old na si Chandler
Oo.
noon eh. I was already married.
Oo.
May anak pa ako noon, 1-year-old.
Oo.
I was going to school and going night school.
Oo. Sipag.
So
Oo.
talagang pinursigi ko
Oo,
na
oo.
makatapos ako.
Maski 2 years. yung
Yes, kahit
degree,
man lang
oo,
2 years.
oo, oo.
Kasi para sa akin, it's like at least I got, I learned something or I have a degree that I could use some way, somehow.
Yeah.
And I'm really grateful kasi parang yun ang how do we call it, na kaya ko pala. Kung gugustuhin ko, pwede pala.
Training ground yun eh. Yung
Diba?
you're committing yourself, diba? Parang
Oo.
gano'n eh. Oo.
Parang sa akin, that was my first win in life.
Yes.
Na kahit anong circumstances, kahit may asawa na ako,
Oo.
may 1-year-old na anak ako, I'm going to night school and
Oo.
working full-time,
Grabe, no? Oo.
kaya ko pala.
Oo.
Actually, I do have a picture. I'll show you.
Oo nga eh. Oo, grabe.
So, ganun pala.
Ganun din ako.
That was my first win. And then from there, parang naset na yung mind ko na pag may ginusto ka pala
Pwede.
and
Pwede
with the
talaga.
prayer
Oo.
na matulungan ka, palakasin ng loob mo.
Tsaka sipag. Tsaka motivation.
Oo, yeah. Na pwede mo palang makamtan. Diba?
Yun na nga eh. Kasi, like I said, tayo, talagang nagsumikap tayo not because we have already or we have something. Pero kasi sa akin, wala rin eh. Parang sa akin, yun ang ticket mo eh. Diba? Right?
Correct.
Parang, pero yung mga today's kids that almost have everything.
Oo
Everything
nga.
is being given to them.
Oo nga.
Right?
Alam mo, I noticed yung mga generation ngayon, which is
Oo.
yung generation what? Why?
Why? Oo.
Oo. Ano sila eh, they're smarter, definitely.
Oo.
Pero they're not as hardworking like on Generation X, which is yung generation natin.
Oo.
Diba?
Hindi sila sanay sa stress. Parang ganun. Totoo ba yun? Tama ba? Yun ang nakikita
Oo
ko.
nga kasi napapansin ko marami silang konting kibot lang, mental issues.
Walang wifi. Katapusan na ng mundo. Parang ganun, di ba? Right?
Teka muna.
Oh.
Yan ang hindi ko maintindihan kasi ng generation natin,
Oo.
hindi uso yung mga mental health.
Holy crap,
Pag sinabi nating mental health, yung ano na yun, schizophrenia.
Talagang may problema ka na talaga, di ba?
May topa ka na talaga, di ba? Pero ngayon, they all about, I need therapy
Oo.
because I can't handle the stress.
Oo, parang
Or I
ganun.
need therapy
Oo.
because this and what is that?
It's probably...
I'm sorry. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm trying to learn this. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Hindi na nakikita ko, right? But I can tell you, they're smart. I can tell you this, though. Generation Y, they're smart generation talaga yan.
Yeah.
The reason why is because they have everything in front of them already. Kumbaga ba,
They're so catered.
tsaka ang daming sources na nalalaman mo agad ang information right away, di ba?
Oo nga. At saka they're so impatient.
Yeah, yun.
Gusto nila
Bilis.
right away.
Oo.
Di ba yung mga
Parang
millennials?
ikaw. Natatanda mo pa yung wifi nun, yung bibs, yung ano pa, mo tumpan, ang tagal-tagal, di ba?
Oo nga.
Can you imagine if that's what they have today?
Naalala mo yung tunog ng AOL? Yung AOL.
Sus Marias, oo nga.
Di ba para mag-chat
Yung
ka sa
moto mo,
AOL?
Tagal nun.
Oh my
At tagal,
goodness.
ganun talaga. Pero I'm just saying na, yun nga napapansin ko sa mga Generation Y, nga na hindi sila masyado pasensyado.
Correct.
Oo.
Oo nga. It's I think they need to learn that. Kaya nga maganda, kailangan dalhin sila sa island.
I think,
Na island na walang wifi.
wala. I think ang pinaka-best generation, yung generation natin eh. But we'll talk about that in the future.
Yes.
Marami tayong pag-usapan
Oo
about
nga.
that.
So,
Okay.
anyway, I hope you
Yeah.
learned something today.
Yes.
I mean, everything we talk about here is just
Yeah.
our opinion.
Yes.
I mean, you guys are entitled to your
Yeah.
own opinion. And this is just an observation.
And
Definitely.
congratulations sa mga new
Sa
grads.
mga
Oo,
new
I'm
grads.
sure your crowds are very, your
Yeah.
parents are very proud of you guys.
Yes, and
Yeah.
congratulations, for all your hard work. And believe me, you may not realize it right now, but
Yeah.
down the line in your lifetime, you'll be glad that you did it.
Yes,
And
correct.
congratulations to all of you.
And of course, congratulations sa mga parents because I know you guys work hard as well.
Yes,
for your-
correct.
for your kids.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
There you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.